climb inside the 2013 Kia Optima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-kilometer mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.